Today we are going to go through a new things, that is the animation with the CSS. I will show you a little bit glimpses of the animation in the text blinking over there in the last session. Now today we are going to go through that animation portions. It is very easy and we are doing this one without any help of Flash or any kind of multimedia software. Now in this frame you are able to see the animation that is going on. The HTML file is running over here, and in this side the CSS file will be there. In the HTML file, very simple, nothing is there. For that I have shown you the start these things with the CSS file. The first tag I have defined AB. Inside the AB I have written color white, means this will define the color of a text. Color of the text means in the box you are able to see there is one word is written over there, that is called the animation. This word color has been defined by this AB tag. Now after that what happens? After that I have, with this div tag, I have created this box. Now width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. What I have done? Width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. Position relative. Relative means it can be changed. If the situation, if in the code it has been changed, it will going to be changed. It is not the fixed. Relative. According to the coding, it will going to be run over there. Background color red. Obviously at the beginning the background color is red. Name of animation, animation name, this one ABC. Here with the keyframe I have defined the animation, name of the animation, and inside the keyframe I have defined what is the behavior of the animation ABCD. So animation name, which animation will be applied on that particular box and the text ABCD. Animation duration 10 seconds. Now you can ask me, it is going on infinite. How it will be 10 seconds? 10 seconds means each slot is 10 seconds. To cover the total window, that particular box is required 10 seconds, and iteration will be infinite. Suppose here is the 10 second. If I change this one, then what will going to be happen? Then it is going to be faster. Suppose I make it 1 second, means each slot will be of 1 second. Now see that what is going to be happen. See this one, the speed has been increased over there, means each slot is going to be completed, means one round is going to be completed in 1 second, and it will be go on infinite. Now see this one, animation iteration count and infinite, because it is go on and go on. Fine. So I will bring back this one in the original position. See that one, once again it will be. So according to your need, according to the need of the program or need of the animation, you are going to. Now we'll go inside the keyframe. Keyframe @keyframe ABCD. ABCD is the name of the animation. 0%. When it will beginning 0%. One slot is of 10 seconds. So 0% of the 10 second, what will going to be happen? The background color will be red. And left position will be left 0 pixels, top 0 pixels. With the left and the top we are define the position of that particular element. 0 pixels means just as the beginning. See that one, it will come back. This is the starting position. 0 pixels top, 0 pixels left. Now from 10 to 20%, from travel, it will travel 0 to 25%. Each slot is of 10 seconds. Beginning of the 10 second will be 0%. Go to the 25% of the animation time. What will going to be happen? From red the background color is going to be changed to blue, and the position left 0, top 500. Top 500 means from top the distance will be 500. I am going to show you. Let it come. This is the beginning position. The next one, see that one. From top the distance will be 500 pixels, and left it will be remain same. Now in the journey of 25% to the 50%, background color is going to be changed to green, means from blue to it will going to be green, and the distance from the left also, see this one, this is the 500 pixels, and from the top also the 500 pixels. Now the next one, 75% means 50% to the 75%. 10 seconds is the total slots. So what will going to be happen? 50% to 75% of the slot. What will going to be happen? Background color is going to be changed from green to yellow, and left, what will going to, it will reach left 500 position pixels, and top will be 0. Means when it will reach to the 75%, what will going to be happen? See this one, it reached fine. From the top distance is 0 pixels, from the left distance is 500 pixels. See that one, it will reach 500 pixels. This one is the 500 pixels. Now the last one, 75% to 100%. What will going to be happen? Once again the color from yellow to it will become red, and it will once again bring back to the left 0 pixels, and the top is the 0 pixels. Left 0 pixels and top will going to be the 0 pixels. This is the CSS file. Now in the HTML file nothing is there. In the HTML file I will show you this one, otherwise you will be in confusion. I will show you the HTML file also, so that you are able to understand this one. So I will open the HTML file. This is the HTML file, nothing is there. I have declared the HTML tag, head, then the link portion, this one, head close, div, inside the div I have used the AB tag, and that word is going to be written over there, and in the CSS I have defined inside the AB tag what will be the text. It will be become a white color, div close and HTML close. This is the HTML, simple. I think you have enjoyed this one. Thank you very much.